What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update, February 2nd, Groundhog Day. Over under today is basically this 42 to 45. So above 45, I'm cautiously bullish. Below 42, I'm cautiously bearish. 25 is going to be a level I'm watching downside. We lose that, and I think we can test, this 110 area. We have singles pretty much all the way down into that 90 level. So that's another level I'm going to watch in that 87, 85, 90 is going to be my next big support that I'm watching. So if we spike down there, I would look probably for a reversal. I don't think we'll get into this support area down here in this 40-40. So 49.40 to 40.40, and now we're at 40.40 to 41.40. The 40 levels have been key. Prior, it was like the 107 or 170 to 070 to 970. So we've changed it. So these are kind of the patterns we look for. The 40s seem to be holding. But that 25 level, lot traded, a lot of activity between the 30 and 25 yesterday. So we'll see if that holds. If that doesn't, then I would expect further lower. If we open up above the 63 and a quarter, 64 area, then I would expect at least a 180 shot, if not to 4,200. 180 cleans up from whatever the 12th was back up here. So we have singles from 54 up to 80. So we've kind of nibbled into that. So that would be another level that I would be watching on the upside. So again, I don't know today. We've got some economic news and then earnings coming out after the close. I think Apple and a few others. So let's take a look at the hourly. Your pivot's 118, so that's decent. I really like that 25 level better. 41.87 and 42.32. I like these today. 40.70 is a good number. 40.03 and then 58. So here's your daily. We are above that trend line, but we're topping here, topping here, topping here. So we're kind of coming into this area, 80 to 4,200, that I think should act as resistance and will come back down. I don't know where we go from here. That spike up was pretty crazy yesterday. We've had a good run. Do we top out and come back down, or is this, going to go forever and we're back to the all-time highs? Who knows? Anyway, I wouldn't be surprised at some point we come back and test that 200, at least the trend line. I'm not saying today or tomorrow, but maybe the next few weeks. I don't know how much, what legs this rally has. Also, on the weekly chart, we are at the trend line. So we tapped that yesterday. So we'll see if we get above, I think that this is going to be more important than we think. So I would watch this this guy here. That's basically the 145 zone where we're at right now. So we're pretty much teetering on that that level. SPX, we have a cash gap from 20 to 28 up here, and then a one wee little guy up at 430.02. So this is obtainable today, the 420. I don't, that would be a monster upside move, but here you can, that was, these are the levels that 4,100, 4120 basically. We spiked above that and then kind of came back down to that. So I don't know. And then in the SPX, this hasn't crossed yet, the golden cross. Now on the ES daily it has, but we'll see. Euro popped hard yesterday. This still just is blowing my mind. So the 109.3 level is going to be important. If we get back below that, we should see back down here. And I would assume that the next level up is going to be probably the 111.3. So that's 2 more full points, but we'll see. This thing just continues to go. I think the reversal here is going to be interesting, but I just again, these things are just going. So who knows? Let's go economic calendar. Initial jobless claims, continuing claims. So we'll have all these today at 8:30. I like how they put the 10 a.m. and then another 8:30 in the morning. But anyway, and then tomorrow's non-farm. That's going to be an interesting one, and all of these really. So we'll see what these numbers produce, and then of course earnings, big earnings today after the close. Meta, beat, but Amazon and Apple, they're already starting to, pave the way for bad earnings. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see an Apple and Amazon miss on the retail side, but who knows? I'm not sure I would gamble on it, but something to look out for. The last video of the week, I won't be here tomorrow. So just keep note of, some of these key levels. Really downside 40-40, and upside I'm really looking at that 42.20, 42.25 would be the next two targets upside. But clean up to 180 for sure would be the first target I'm looking at. And who knows, maybe this is it. Maybe we pop, stay up, and then we come back down. Anyway, so stay safe. If you see profit, take it. Don't hang around in trades, because I don't. This thing's going to probably get swingy. The next 2 days should be wild. So just look for your spots, look for your support, resistance. And I know Joey will be in the room all day. So anyway, stay safe.